I'll help you move all that stuff.
Thank you, sir.
So we good. Yeah, where is it?
There it is. I really didn't see it.
Oh man. Hey guys, welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. I'm Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And we're gonna do a bunch of projects that involve rhino liner. Is it rhino liner or is it like
Raptor liner?
Raptor liner. So why don't you tell them what the first project is, because it's your project. So
this is the interior of the Jeep TJ, and for the most part, all the prep has been done. I've already put a wire wheel on an angle grinder and cleaned it up pretty well. Now we just have to patch a few spots.
Yep, so we're gonna patch a couple of spots that were rusty. We just cut them out. Nothing crazy, but something that definitely wants to be addressed before we put the coating in and do all the fine stuff. But we're gonna clean it down with acetone and make sure it's all degreased and everything, and then we'll go ahead and Raptor line that. And then also we're gonna prepare the brush bar and for my truck from last week, and we'll get that all taken care of as well. So stay tuned, stick with it, and let's get into it. So all right, so a little update for you. We had to cut out some rust spots and weld in some replacement steel for the floorboards before we laid down this bed liner, just to kind of prevent rust. And Nick did a pretty good job. They don't look like anything too special now, but way better than what they were before. I did get some video of that, so you should have seen it. And we're just going to clean up the rest of this. We're going to mask off the rest of the frame and anything else that needs it, like the e-brake, the wires over there, all that good stuff, and wipe this down with acetone, and then we'll get to painting. Alright, so the inside of the Jeep is prepped. We're primering a couple of spots before we do the Raptor liner. I'm going to go outside right now and do the acetone treatment for the brush bar, and I'm also going to be priming that as well. So that's going to be next on the list.
So a Schutz gun, also called an undercoating gun, is basically just an open barrel, and your liquid screws right onto it.
Yep.
And it just takes air from that hole.
Yep.
And just...
So just kind of like sloppy, just
it just spits it.
Nice.
That's all it does. Doesn't spray it, doesn't atomize it, just spits it.
Cool.
That's it.
Well, I'm kind of excited to see it in action. I've heard about it for so long. So
yeah, depending on the air pressure, that will change the texture. So whether you want it really smooth or really chunky.
What do you want it chunky?
It's somewhere between like 30 and 60 psi. I think mine's sort of medium.
Yeah, it is.
Mine's I think it was 35 psi.
Yeah.
This one. It's pretty rough.
It's durable. So the GoPro died, and we were having trouble with the gun, so we switched the guns out and put a little bit of paint thinner in it, and now it's... Oh, this is coming out so good. The whole time. Yep. That's coming out so good. Okay, so we're all done. Raptor lining the Jeep. I think it came out really, really good. We also did the brush bar, but that's gonna need a second coat. It's kind of dark out, and it needs to set for like how long? 24 hours?
Yeah, 24 to 48.
Yeah, so once that's all set up, then we'll install it. That's probably gonna be like a next week thing. But I have never worked with this before, and it was kind of interesting to see the process, and the result, I think, kind of speaks for itself. So we'll put in some videos of the ending product so you guys can see that. I think that was we only did one project today, but it was a big one, and we were able to crush it. And we'll see you guys next week on Tool Time Tuesday.